I say I really want to see women, moms especially, win, and I know it's possible because I've done it. God has showed me over and over and over and over. That's, baby, I am doing the bare minimum. If I'm doing the bare minimum and I'm making money, you could be making this money, girl. She be hacking into my phone. I have a password. For other girls, I'm vision like me, vision like me, vision like me. Get that money, vision like me, vision like me. For other girls, I'm vision like me, vision like me, vision like me. Get that money. Baby, when I say today has went completely left, but for good reasons, y'all. I think I ended off where I was on the call with Tori and we did that. That was amazing. Sis is really amazing. I'm gonna link her information down below. She's an amazing life coach, super helpful, and like I love the fact that Tori don't hold back. Like Tori will let you know how, you know, she'll tell you the truth. She's not gonna lie to you. That ended up turning into a therapy session with Babe. So it's like I literally have been crying all day, but for good reason. And then let me tell y'all, it's so crazy. On a vlog, I think before this one, I can't remember, but I was like, man, I really need to start, you know, doing a better job with collecting testimonies because I am terrible at that. And it's crazy because a lot of the people that I've mentored and I've helped, you know, they be quick to, you know, like they'll call me up or whatever like that. You know, we'll get to talking or whatever. But, you know, I'd never be like, hey, can you write a testimony? I don't be like asking for nothing. That's my own problem. And it was funny because I was just sitting here and as I got off the phone with Babe, I was like, man, I just said that I was going to hold myself accountable and do the things that I'm saying that I'm going to do. And I was like, I've been saying I was going to put a highlight testimonial on my page and I just found an excuse everyone to do. And I was like, man, and I was just praying about it. And like God, every single time God be whispering, he was like, man, you need to put these testimonials on your back, you know? And right when I was like, man, I need to do it. Why somebody hit me up, literally that hasn't bought anything from me, and whatever, but was just like, hey, I really wanted to send you this. And I'm like, God is so real, y'all. And I know that's petty and like, you know, minor, but I'm like, I'm telling you, like, y'all, I cannot say it enough. Like, I'm always saying it. This is why I'm so passionate about what I do and with God. Like, for real. And I'm like, and I sent the message back to her and I was saying, I was like, it's so crazy like that you reach out. And I was like, I remember you because I have a really good memory as far as like with people and stuff. And I was like, yeah, I definitely remember you and everything like that. And she was like, yeah, you know, and I asked her if I could share it because I'm creating testimonials right now on my page. So I can finally see that highlight. And it's just, again, so it's crazy. But I do have some calls. I have one with, actually they're both inside of NPM. So I'll probably show y'all a little bit of that. And then I don't know if they want to do video chat. And I did go for my walk, 30 minutes, but I am going to also try to do some exercises on the Pilates board. Girl, I ain't got no content uploaded today, but what I am going to do at least is definitely get on live TikTok, girl, and YouTube. So it may be probably 9, which is a little late for me. I usually get on around like 5-ish, 6s. So we'll see, but I'll get on a little bit later. And stuff. This day has definitely, I ain't ate nothing today, y'all. My day has lit, and I try to do alternate fasting. So I'm like, you know what? Today just gonna be a day we probably just not gonna eat, which is fine. So I'm not really hungry. So, but yeah, but I just wanted to get on here and check in with y'all, baby. Day went completely. Me and Tori was talking for 4 hours, 5 hours. I don't know. I got some testimonials, but like, I don't know. It be my own fault. So I just know I need to definitely do a better job because again, like I'm trying to take this role as a community leader serious. Okay, y'all, so I'm making her something to eat. And then baby, we barbecued yesterday, so her picky ass. Yeah, mama. Juice or do you want milk? Juice. Okay. I'll put you some apples on there too. It's hot. It's hot, just letting you know. I broke a piece of me. What? Okay. Hey, baby, mommy gotta get on the call. You gonna be good? Yeah, I'm good. You gonna be good, you promise? You have to go to the potty? I promise. Okay. I promise. You promise you gonna be good? Yes. Okay. You want your apple? That's gold. Ooh. That's gold. Okay, girl. Nice meal? Yes. Okay. Thank you, man, Mama. You're welcome, baby. Yeah, I'll be forgetting I'll be recording something. I ain't been doing this for a while. I end up eating. Obviously, this apple is good. Yeah, no, I ain't better waste nothing. But I'm gonna get on this call with Sally. I think I'm gonna go out here because I'm cold. I told y'all, baby, got the air on Antarctica. But, but yeah. I'll see y'all in a minute. My makeup is looking terrible because I've been crying. I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh, the PM. I said 5 PM. Huh. Yeah. I said, okay, well, what is that? Yeah. And you were talking about it, and when you mentioned the soft launch is $77, I said, oh, okay, $77. Yeah. But mind you, I still didn't make a move. Yeah. At least right now, where I'm at in my journey, I really want to, when I say I really want to see women, moms especially, win, and I know it's possible because I've done it. God has showed me over and over and over and over. That's why I'm like, So how are things going, Mama? They're going pretty well. The really key thing to all of this is you definitely can do all of it. Timing is everything. But what is like the one thing that like is really kind of, resonating with you? Because that should be the thing that should be your focus. You don't want to like put 20% over here, 30% over here, 40%. Like what's something that you can really kind of go all the way in on? And I actually put out my first TikTok video. Okay, girl, I gotta go look at it. Like 2.5 hours. Not 2.5. What the hell? Why is it taking 2.5 hours, Sabrina? That is the whole point. I don't want you. It shouldn't take that. You know what I mean? These are 3 to 7 second videos, and that's why I'm always quick to be like, film all day long and then cut it down into when you're ready to post something, right? But I don't want, because you're gonna immediately, just from you telling me that, you're gonna experience burnout in 3 days. And that's what we don't want. We ain't got all day to be doing that though. So we gotta get it going because you're a mom and you need to get to going. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, you don't want to, cause especially in the beginning, like, I like to always be realistic with people. Don't nobody watch your stuff in the beginning. It's like, and if you're putting 2 hours into just one video, you need to be posting 3 times a day. You need to be getting on live. You need to be sharing stories and stuff like that. And if that one thing is taking you 2 hours, baby, 22. It's only look. You got 22 hours left. I know you gotta sleep. I know you gotta eat. I know you gotta take care of the kids. So I just finished up some mentee calls and baby gum. No. What are you talking about? Baby. Okay, so I really feel like you should come inside because I feel like I'm getting big. Mommy, look. I like it, baby. It says my baby girl changed it there. Oh, okay. Do you want to go inside though? Not yet. I will have the baby for y'all. Okay. Well, girl, I'm about to go inside because I'm about to get bit up by these mosquitoes. I'll take your diaper. And you keep leaving my door open, child. Y'all, I need to get on live. I said I was going to get on TikTok every day. And I always like, I'm just going to get on for 10 minutes. And girl, end up turning into a whole damn story. And I was posting these testimonies on my thing, but I got sidetracked. I need to type up some notes. So what I'm going to do is, from these 2 calls that I just did, I'm going to type up some notes. Girl, I got to get on live. I got to at least get on live every single day. I didn't post no content, and I'm going to have to, actually, what I'm going to have to do is reschedule, because I got to drive. Dang. I'm going to have to drive with Babe. I got to hurry up and come up with another podcast episode, because Babe just said he need me to ride with him tomorrow. Girl, I've called with another a mentee who's inside of NPM and stuff like that, and I'm so excited to I be hyped when I be giving people strategy and motivation, stuff like that. It made me feel good, girl. Okay, because I'm like, baby, I really done did this. Okay, and you would think I would take the same stuff and apply it to my business and show up more, but I'd be like, girl, I be doing the bare minimum. And I was talking to Babe about that today. I was like, man, I say this really humbly, I'm so grateful for coming across digital marketing, and I take it very serious, don't get me wrong, but I know I can go 100 times harder than what I am, and I hate to say it like that, but I'm it's not a hobby, because I can't explain, y'all, but it's just I be holding back so much. I really do the bare minimum, and that's why I be trying to tell people, baby, I am doing the bare minimum, and if I'm doing the bare minimum and I'm making money, you could be making this money, girl. Shout out. Now let me get off of here, y'all. All right, y'all. I will see y'all later. My makeup look good right here. This camera be got me looking good. Sis, what you trying to do? When I say I've been on the phone all damn day, it's 11 o'clock, y'all. I go to bed it's 11:11. Hey, thank you, Jesus. I goes to bed at 9 o'clock. But I said I was gonna be consistent. I ain't upload no content today. I did do some stories. Okay. But I do need to. I'm gonna get on live. As I lay in here, What happened to your bow? Where your bow? But I'm gonna try to get on live for a little bit. I always say I'm gonna be on here for a little bit, girl. I'm be on here at 1 o'clock in the morning. But that's okay. As long as we're helping, we're motivating, we're inspiring. That's all that matters, okay? It's 11 o'clock at night. Where are you going? To Easter Sunday? Thank you, baby.
Welcome.
Okay. Love you.
And who said Daddy?
Okay, you can get brother iPad, because I don't know where yours is.
You're not here.
Girl.
You're not here. You're not here.
Y'all, this is my life. Why is she up? Because she on this terrible schedule. It's my fault. Okay, baby. But alright, y'all. I'm about to get on live. We're gonna try. We're gonna attempt at 11 o'clock at night. I forgot I'm at 11, so we'll see how it goes.
Daddy wanna go on a hat.
So what you wanna do?
Your daddy wanna do it.
He ain't answering. I try to call him. Look, you don't believe me. I'm gonna call him.
Okay.
I'm gonna call him. Watch.
Huh?
Daddy not gonna answer. He said he was in meetings.
Wait.
Let me see. Where my phone button at? Hold up.
Oh, there it is.
Where?
I did this.
No, it's not. Let's Google me. Excuse me. Okay, look, I'm calling Daddy. He not gonna answer, Pook.
I need help.
Please don't answer. Please don't answer.
Mommy, you stuff, please.
Girl, she feel like she gotta talk to him all day while he at work.
You can't stuck. Mommy, you daddy watch Moco.
He busy, baby.
Hello? Huh?
He said he was busy.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
I'm sorry. Yeah, this is what I be going through. Zyla, come on now, because my other phone is dead and I don't feel like charging it. Go get the iPad. This is what I be over here fighting for my life, bro. She be hacking into my phone. I have a password. Baby, Daddy said he can't talk. Okay?
I say cheese.
No.
Oh.
Go watch TV for a little bit, baby.
Because we had him in it.
I play with you.
I want to please.
Please. For me. He sent it. Baby, one thing about it is my man don't send me to voicemail. He gonna send you to voicemail.
Mom, let's try
Not me. Not me, girl.
Mom, let's try
Not girl. I love. Baby.
See?
He not gonna answer. He can't answer right now. Zyla, he's gonna call you when he can. He's gonna call you when he can, bro. Bro. He gonna call you when he can. Looking crazy. Get up out of here, bro. Get up out of here, man. Come on. It's time. Zyla, because you out here using me for my stuff and you don't even want to be in here and spend time with me. Oh, you want to take a picture with me?
Yes.
Okay, girl. Say cheese.
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 Oh, me and my Vookie. Look. Let me kiss this. Yes, I love it, Pookie. I'm grateful for those opportunities. I'm grateful for going through things. Hey, y'all. Thank y'all. She can do what I can do. It's been done. So, again, I like to always try to get on here and share that and share my story, share some of my student stories and stuff like that. Because, baby, a lot of us be on the internet all day anyway, scrolling for free and not making no money. If you don't learn how to monetize that scrub. I'm just telling you, girl, it can change your life. So let me just...
This is for the girl.